Hello again. Today I will show you how to schedule a YouTube video for another day. First thing you have to do is to open your YouTube account. Then go to Create, press it. Upload a video. You have to follow the whole procedure of uploading a video. Then select Files, select your video, write down your title, write a title appropriate for your video, write your description, upload a thumbnail for your video, choose a thumbnail relative to your video, check if it's made for kids or if it's not made for kids, and add an age restriction. Then press next. Next. No copyright issues found. Next. And here you can schedule your video. Check public so everyone can watch your video. And then press the arrow of the schedule tab and choose the date that you want your video to be public. Then the time, and then the time zone. You can keep your local time or you can change the time zone to whatever you want. And then press schedule. Please don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.